organization that has adopted 2 Hmong dance groups in Georgia. The first group, and if I'm wrong, I'm pretty sure Jennifer, their dance leader, will correct me later, but I will try my best. Known as NHK, Thai Hmong Kajsiab. Did I say it right, all my Hmong people here? We got a lot of Hmong folks here? Yes. Also known as NHK, which means Peaceful Hmong Girls. Embodying Hmong traditions, vibrant attire, graceful choreography, and deep cultural meaning. In Hmong culture, dance is a way to honor ancestry, strengthen community, and express cultural identity. Since 2024, NHK continues to thrive and share the beauty and resilience of Hmong culture. Give it up for NHK! Thank you so much, NHK. What a grand exit. That was beautiful, girls. Our next performer is known as Ntxhais.